Welcome to the last 30 days vlogs. So I'm currently dumping my suitcases. Go through all my stuff and figure out what I'm taking, what I might be leaving, how much space I might have. I realize now that it's probably not the greatest time to do it because I need to do laundry. So the space that I allot for my clothing is going to be not accurate. So I found a flash drive in my bag and I plugged it in my computer to see what was on it. And I found my senior year marching band end of season video, like the final draft of it. And I remember that video took me hours to make. And it's just wild finally finding it again. I haven't seen it in over a year. That's so weird to say. I haven't seen it in over a year.
Let's take a look at Get Out. In his discussion with race is because it started with a situation that was universal. Everybody can relate to the fear of meeting your potential in-laws for the first time.
Okay, so I'm going to a baptism party tonight, so I'm about to go get ready for that. I'm just going to wear my alpaca sweater and some jeans, and hopefully that's peachy keen and all right. Okay, so I'm all showered up. I'm ready to go, just about. Apparently there's going to be dancing. I was told that it's going to be anywhere from a few hours to up until 4 or 5 in the morning. Do note I have to get on a bus tomorrow morning because tomorrow is the Global Citizen Year Going Away party for the Southern Hub, which we're holding out of Malta. Yes! It's not pretty now, but it will be later. It's the day after Eric's birthday. I couldn't give him birthday punches because he wouldn't let me. We were waiting for Camila and Eric to fall asleep, and I wound up falling asleep on the couch. But now we're finally off, and it's almost 9 o'clock. It's almost my bedtime. We're going to a part of town I've never even been to yet. I just taught her how to change the hour on Candy Crush to get her lives in like 2 minutes. No, Ramona. This food is mine. Ramona, you're not cute. You can't see me, but I need to change out of my jeans and into my sweatpants. And I'm just standing here because I'm so cold that I don't want to take my pants off to put on warmer pants.